Real quickly, we are going to vibe code a software in real time. I'm going to show you how to do this live. So welcome to the stream. If you have any questions, go ahead, just throw those in the chat. I can see all of the chats right here. And so again, welcome to this live where I'm going to show you how to use AI in real time to be able to go build out a tool using AI. So really, really excited about this, just making sure that I'm logged in everywhere. Looks like TikTok Live is up and running. Awesome, welcome. I'm just gonna rename the title here, how to build simple tools with AI. We'll just name it that, perfect. How to use AI to build tools. Okay, perfect. So we're gonna save that. Awesome. If you were just now joining, welcome to the live. I'm gonna show you guys how to, in real time, I'm gonna make sure this is going on Facebook. It should be, I'll just check on my phone here. It should be going on Facebook and should be going on YouTube. Let me just double check that that is working. If you are just joining the live, go ahead and just throw in the chat post to. It looks like it is on Facebook. Let's just join on Facebook here. Okay, it looks like we are good on Facebook, and then I'm just gonna go check on YouTube real quick, and I think we are good to go. Making sure that my software is working like it is supposed to. Okay, perfect. And we are live for a local business owner. I think this is an extremely useful tool. I think it can help business owners. I also think that it can help people that are wanting to help business owners. And again, if you guys have any questions during this live at all, go ahead and just throw those questions in the chat. But let's just go jump right in and show you exactly what we are going to be talking about today. So again, if you're just now joining, I use AI and I have been helping business owners use AI to be able to better their businesses. And right now I think there is an amazing opportunity for not only business owners, but those that want to help business owners with AI and specifically for creating small tools. So if you are joining this video, I'm gonna first throw those in the group chat. That way I can go see what questions everybody might have, and then we will go from there. So the very first thing that we need to do is we need to actually go decide, hey, Maddie, welcome to the live chat. Thank you so much for joining. So pain point. So for example, we need to ask the question like, hey, business owners, what do you hate doing? What are you wasting your time on? What are you spending a lot of time on? What overall are you using a lot of your time as far as AI goes? Then, or you can say, hey, what's repetition in your business? What is something that you're doing week over week over week that maybe could be delegated off to an AI tool that would make your business more efficient? So that's another angle that you can take this. Or you can find time wasters a week or two later, and then they were losing sales because of the process. You can go find a big time waster, or just go pick a big problem that they're having. And so let's see. Right here. So the example that we are going to use today is most businesses hate having to do quotes manually. They're having to use a calculator, or they're having to use a spreadsheet, or they have an Excel doc, not have to do that manually. You can actually legitimately build them a tool. And so we are going to be doing a quote calc problem is, and then go build a tool for them. For this training, we are going to go build out a quote calculator. And so what we need to do first is we need to figure out what it is that the quote calculator is going to do. And again, you can go fill in the blank and go do this with whatever tool that you want to. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to come into Claude. Claude is the AI of choice for us. And we're just going to simply type in, hey, so I want to build out a quote calculator tool. I am a landscape installs. We do basic landscape design. And basically I just want to build a simple estimate calculator. And I'm wondering, basically going to use AI to be able to help us build the item here. Maddie, welcome. I steal your items. Welcome. Thanks for joining. You how to build a tool for a local business owner to be able to help them with their business using AI. So if you're just now joining, we've already decided that the big pain point for a business owner would be that they hate having to go do quotes manually. They hate using a spreadsheet, or they hate having to go do it on a piece of paper with a calculator. And so we are going to build them a quote calculator tool with AI. And this is something that anybody watching this video literally could go do right now. So this is something that all of us could do, and it's a huge advantage that we could all be using AI for because of all of the different AI technology that's coming out. And so right here, we time toggle, bundle discounts, estimate range, contact capture at the end, and a PDF or shareable summary. Okay, beautiful. So it just gave us all of these things. And I'm just gonna say, this is amazing. I would like for you to turn this into a prompt that I can use in a vibe coding tool. Perfect. So just like that, we're going to send that over. Hello, welcome. If you're joining the live, thanks for being here. And so what we're going to do is just go grab that prompt now. So here is all of the different things that we want in this quote calculator. And again, you guys can go do this for any business. I'm just going and doing this for a generic landscaping company, prompt. And then we are going to come over to a wonderful app that I like to use called Go High Level. Now I already have a Go High Level set up. If you don't have a Go High Level, I will have a link for you. You can go grab a 30-day free trial for business owners if you're looking to create a little bit of side income. So there's a lot of opportunity here. And we're just gonna come into AI Studio, and then all we're gonna do is go paste that prompt. And so right here, landscape quote calculator, here's all of the different functions and stuff, and then we're gonna go ahead and press send. And so basically, just going over what we have talked about so far, we found the pain point for a business owner. So we said, okay, it looks like you guys are spending a lot of time building out a quote or having to do quotes every week. So let's go build you out a quote calculator, something that is customized and useful for your business. And then from there, we are going to map out the logic. And that's what we did with Claude. So we said, here's our service type, here's the size and scope, here's the location. Now again, mine's pretty generic. We use Claude for this, but you would obviously go put in all of your details. So you'd go put in all your different businesses, your different services that you're offering, the different upsells and things that you have, any kind of price. We're gonna go paste that prompt in, so describe your tool, and then we're gonna let AI go build it. So it's almost like you have an AI coder on your team, and we're gonna design, it's gonna be a green-white theme, it's gonna generate an OG image for SEO, and then it's going to implement the quote calculator component and pricing logic, and it's going to integrate the calculator into the main page and signal form tracking. So right there, it is going and building the tool for us, and you can even see it's going to go do things like create images so that it can be SEO optimized and all that kind of stuff too. So if you guys have any questions as you guys are watching the video, go ahead and throw those in. I do see all the chats right here, so whether you're joining from YouTube or TikTok or we're gonna go test the tool. So we're gonna go into this next step, which is, it's kind of a repeatable system here. It's a cycle that we're gonna go through, which is we're going to prompt it, review it, refine it, and then prompt it, review it, and refine it, and make sure that it's just really, really good to go. Now, if you are joining live or if you're watching this later, one thing that you are going to notice is the fantastic part about this is it's only been 10 minutes and we're already customizing and building out a tool that will be extremely useful for a business owner. They're not gonna have to go to an Excel spreadsheet anymore. They're not gonna have to go deal with a calculator anymore. It's gonna be a customized tool just for them. It's obviously very, very possible. So we're just gonna come right over here, and we can see I have built a complete mobile-friendly landscaping quote calculator with a beautiful green design system. It features a multi-step flow, dynamic pricing logic, a bundle discount, lead capture form, and a printable summary. Wow, this is pretty awesome. Okay, so let's go check this out. So if I was on the phone with somebody as a landscaping business owner, and I said, hey, how can I help you? And they're like, well, I'm looking for someone to do lawn mowing. And also I just kind of need something maintenance, like ongoing, somebody for the summer. And I might have some broken sprinklers just over the winter and some frozen pipes and stuff. So if you guys could check that out too, that would be great. And then it's like, okay, awesome. How big is your house? Well, it's about 3,000 square feet. And so what we're gonna go do is just say, okay, it's about 3,000 square feet. Sprinkler repair, it only needs to be done in 2 zones. We need to go replace 5 different heads. And then as far as the maintenance, they want us to come for lawn mowing. Sprinkler repair is gonna be about this much. Lawn maintenance is gonna be this much. We are gonna give you a discount though, because you're bundling it all together. So your one-time cost, it would be about 100 to 210. But your reoccurring cost will be anywhere from 84 to 160. So you know what, let's just sign you up, Braden Carter, and then I'll just go put an address, Main Street, New York. and then just some kind of random phone number here, and then john@example.com, and then submit request. And just like that, there's the quote, and we can even save it. So I'm kind of curious to see what that will do. So let's just say, let's see if it gives us that suggestion. So please make the print and fix. So again, we are prompting it, we're reviewing it and refining it, prompting it, reviewing it and refine it. And we could go change all things here. Like we could come back and we could change the questions if we wanted to. We could go change the pricing if we needed to go change the pricing. We could go change the estimate tool or whatever. Like this is truly all within our control. We can go change the logo up here. And like, this is just like, look how awesome this is. This is something that we've been able, and it's a tool that's theirs and it's useful and it's helpful for them. So, okay, implement and print the save PDF functionality in the quote calculator. So right now we're just making sure that I get working on that for you. So, okay, that's all done. So let's go try it out again. We're gonna do just lawn mowing and lawn maintenance this time. It is a bigger yard. So let's go 10,000 feet. They want us to come weekly. We are gonna bundle it all together. There's the reoccurring cost, get the formal quote. We'll just put in all random information here. Okay, and we'll just put in some test email, john@example.com, submit request, and save this PDF. So let's see if it saved it there. Perfect. So then honestly, we could just keep going and making the tweaks. Then the next step here is we would actually go play this for the customer. So we'd actually go take this over to the customer and we'd say, hey, look at this tool that we built you. We'd have them try it on mobile because a lot of times they would need to go see what this looks like on mobile. You could go make this an internal tool or an external tool. So this is a tool that a business could use themselves as they're trying to figure out quotes, or this is a tool you could put on your website to let people figure out quotes themselves, which will give you more and more hot leads. And then the last thing that you can do, very, very easy, is you can deploy and deliver. So you can embed this on their website. You could set up alerts if you want to. That's one of the really nice things with Go High Level is every single time you save a quote, you could have it go send them an email or have it go send them a text. And then internally, you get a text saying, hey, somebody just filled out the quote form to go get an estimate. So really, really cool things there. And then once it's all good to go, launch and monitor it. Just make sure that it's working, make sure it's giving the correct quotes and all that kind of stuff. But guys, just like that, in 15 minutes, we were able to go from finding a pain point all the way to building a customized small tool for a business owner using Go High Level's AI Studio. So that's where the training ends. If there's any questions that I can help answer, if anybody has questions, go ahead and throw those in the chat. Would be more than welcome to answer some of those questions for you. But if not, we can just end the stream there. But just wanted to give a quick tutorial on how you can actually using the tool that could help them, mapping out the logic, going and opening up AI Studio, prompting it and basically just making iterations, and then testing it and different things like that. All right. Well, with that, guys, send me a DM. You can send me a message. Come find me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, whatever. Send me a message on whatever ones you're coming to. I hope you have a great rest of your Tuesday night.